So you can turn to page 195. And in the Learn section, you can see we're going to be given the quantity, or the part, and we're going to be given the percent, which is also a part. So if we have a part that we're given and a part that we're given, what do we have to find? So we know this, we know this. We don't know the whole. So we're going to have to find the whole. Okay, so we know 8% is equal to 96. So if we're doing the unit rate method, we know 8% equals 96 CDs. So we know the percent, we know the part. We do not know the 100%, and that's what we want to find. Okay, but if I were to write this as a ratio, I could say 8% is ratio to, or is to 96, and then I could find 1%. So I can just go 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So 96, I go to the same one, same proportion. 96 divided by 8 equals, well, you know the math fact, it's 12 CDs. And then I'm going to go from 1 to 100. So I take 1 times 100 to get there, and I would take the same proportion over here, 12 times 100. So I can look at the base fact, 12 times 1 is 12, and then multiply it by 100. So I would have 1,200 CDs. Okay, so this is the unit rate method, which was method number 1. Okay, this one that says key rewrite as a fraction, that is method number 2, which you would have done 8 over 100 equals 96 over something, we don't know. So I can go 8 times what equals 96. And fortunately, it's a whole number, so 8 times 12 is 96, and 100 times 12 is 1,200. Don't forget your label, CDs. Okay, and then you might be thinking that, well, I can't really do the decimal method on this one, but you actually can. So method number 3, okay, was the decimal method. Okay, and we have, remember, 8% equals 96, and we want to find 100%. Okay, so since we know the part and we want to find the whole, you would take the part and divide it by the percent to get the whole. So I'd have to take 96 divided by the decimal, 800ths, and you can do it on your calculator if you'd like, or you can do long division. You guys know how to do both. You just have to multiply to get rid of the decimal in my divisor. So 96 divided by 800ths would be, ta-da, 1,200 CDs. It works either way. Okay, you can practice this one for extra practice if you'd like, but again, you can do it any of the 3 method ways. So remember that math, obviously, we know is the language of science, but our main objective today is that we'll be able to find the percent of a number accurately on 3 out of 4 problems. So you guys are going to start working on 6.3, numbers 1 through 9. So I'll leave that up for a little bit in case you missed your planner. Make sure you turned in your work that you checked today as well, and make sure your name was on it.